Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. If you do, thank you. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to get these perfect brows. If you would like to learn, continue watching. Now I'm going to take my brown eyebrow pencil by Wet n Wild and I'm going to use it to outline my brow. I'm just going to use the pencil to fill in my brow. Now I'm just using the spoolie to brush the beginning portion of my brow upwards, then I just fade the rest out. I use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn with a flat angled brush, and I'm just going to use that to perfect my brow. I'm going to take a bigger angled brush and I'm going to blend the concealer out. So now guys, I'm going to use my concealer and I'm going to take it and mark from the brow that I did first at the bottom. I'm going to take it and mark a line right across my forehead onto the other brow, just so it gives it like a straight line. That way I don't have one brow up and one brow down. So that's the technique I use to get my brows on the same level. Moving on to the top portion of your brow, you're going to take your concealer, mark it right above the line that you drew, because you don't want to go too close and get it all small, and then you got to start over because that's not the way you wanted it. So you could keep it as big as you want and work your way down, you know. So when I checked, both my brows wasn't looking identical or looking the way I wanted it. So I went back onto the bottom part and I'm just fixing it the way I want it. This is the finished look. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up, comment what you think of it down below. Don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Bye.